This channel is really the first time where I've made videos with my face in them. It's really a prime example of what I talk about all the time in every video, every community post, everything I do, whether it's here on this channel or on SmartyRBX, my Roblox game development channel with 75,000 subs. I'm always saying, just start. And the reason why I'm always saying this is because really the best advice I've ever gotten in anything that I'm trying to achieve, anything I'm trying to do, always relates to taking action. Every time I've sat planning stuff out, reading, watching videos, all this stuff, constantly planning, thinking, reading, watching videos, all this stuff, it doesn't work. It just doesn't. The only thing that works is taking action. The only thing. So that's the reason why I say just start. It's the secret to YouTube. It's the secret to game development. It's the secret to self-improvement. It's the secret to anything you want to do. Just start. If you want to do YouTube, just start. And as I said in the start of this video, this channel is a perfect example of this. I said, I haven't made videos with my face before much. I'll be honest. This channel is not going to be perfect. I have strong aspects to improve, and I recognize that wholeheartedly. It's not perfect, and that's what just starting is all about. It's not supposed to be perfect. It's not supposed to be perfect, and that's good. When you just start, you will start to improve as you go. That is the key. Improve as you go. Just start. And you know what? You might say, hey, I'm not ready. You know what? I can't start. Whatever it is that you want to start, you're probably saying, I'm not ready. And I say, good. When you're not ready, that is the best time to just start. Because listen, when you're not ready, what does that mean? You're kind of afraid of the unknown. You don't have a perspective on what'll happen next. You've never done it before. And this means that through learning, through starting, you will gain infinite knowledge from starting. You will literally gain so much. You will learn so much from just starting. So the secret you're looking for, that you've always been searching for through all these videos you've watched, yeah, I know, you've been watching a lot of videos on whatever it is you're trying to start, whether it's YouTube, content creation, anything. I know you've been watching a lot of videos on it. You're looking for a secret that you think you need, a secret, right? Now, unlike all these other videos and all these other creators out there, right? They will not tell you what this secret actually is. I will. It's to just start. Just start. It's starting even when you're scared, even when you feel like you're not ready. And that's really it. You should go do it right now. Leave YouTube, do it right now. And you know what that thing is that you want to start. And I hear the excuses. So if you're saying some sort of excuse right now, like I can't, I'm too tired, blah, blah. Okay, close your eyes. Imagine a big, giant backspace button in front of your face, and it's like 6 feet wide, 2 feet tall. I want you to close your eyes and then just go bam and press that backspace button, deleting all the excuses. They're gone. Just start. Click this video here to learn more about YouTube. See you next video.